Hey there, I'm Heather, and this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Beachy Beach.
So today I'm here at this beautiful condo complex right across from the water with a 3-bedroom, amazingly modernized, beautiful decor here at Laketown Wharf. This is Heather, helping you find your best beach life. Let's go. Hey there, welcome to this stunning unit. It has been completely remodeled from top to bottom, new cabinets, new floors, new countertops, and I love how much counter space there is here. They've updated it beautifully, new lighting throughout as well. And it opens right up into all of this space. You've got your views of the beautiful lake out there, and at night, what's super cool is, if you're on the Gulf, it's just pitch black. Here you still have activity. You can sit right on your couch, watch the nightly water show that they have on property, as well as just kind of see the fun activity that's going on outside. But this isn't all. Let's go check out the bedrooms. So in the main ensuite, here we are, so much space. This king bed allows for enough sleeping, but there's still so much room otherwise. And you do have this other furniture. And as I mentioned, it is an ensuite. So you've got a walk-in closet here and this stunning remodel of a bathroom with your new tub, your new tile in your showers. And I can't emphasize enough just how much space is in here. Now, let's look at these other 2 bedrooms and take a look at these beautiful bathrooms. So 2 of the bedrooms are full en-suites, and the 3rd bedroom does have its own bathroom, just not quite in there. Come on, let's check it out. So for more information on this beauty, definitely look in the description below. I have the listing link there for you. All right, don't forget, give me a ring. Bye.